Good morning, sunshine. This was the storm that we had on the 16th, and this lightning struck about 2 miles away, and the thunder was about 10 seconds later, and I think it hit over there on Clark's Bridge somewhere, personally. This is one of my favorite captured video frames from that lightning bolt. Same storm, but this lightning bolt wasn't nearly as impressive. This thunder came 15 seconds later, which makes it about 3 miles away. I catch the best lightning and thunder sound after the storm has passed over our house. This is the second captured video frame of that same first lightning bolt. Its thunder came about 17 seconds later and rumbled on for a little while. Another captured video frame separates the lightning strikes. And so, as to not bore you, I cut the time between the lightning and the thunder and fade out the video sound. And my favorite animation is crossfade. This lightning was 18 seconds away from its thunder, which makes it almost 4 miles away from us. That one might have been around the community center over there off of Nopone. And this captured video frame was lit. And this last series of lightning strikes occurred about 22 seconds before we heard the rumble of thunder. I reckon that storm was ambling its way over there to Lula. In this segment, I took all the lightning bolts and reduced them to 0.125 so that I could capture the video frames that I'm sharing with you today. The GoPro is set on 60 frames per second, which is twice as fast as what my other cameras have been able to record. Even though the GoPro is waterproof, it's better to keep the camera out of the rain. Better focus, you know. After yesterday afternoon's storm, we had a beautiful double rainbow. Lots of people in Clermont got to see it. And this is that rainbow fading away. So I'm risking it with the Sony. This is a spectacular rainbow. In my big front yard. There you go. My beautiful neighbors' homes. Thinking about everybody in the neighborhood. So for Saturday's storm, this is the GoPro on the front porch, filming the last lightning bolt before the rainbow. And in case you were wondering, that lightning bolt was less than 2 miles away, and this rumbling thunder lasts for 52 seconds. And this is when it ends. I took this next 10-minute segment and sped it up times 64 so you could see the passing of the clouds and the beginning of a rainbow. There you go. And here's that unedited captured video screen. I can't do it with my Sony, but I can risk it with the GoPro. So you can see that the GoPro has a couple of water drops on it. And I'm getting wet, but it's worth it. Right after recording this, I ran in and got my cell phone. Took some pictures. Shared them on Facebook. I really like the timeliness of my cell phone. And that was me wiping the lens. Oh, can't make it zoom in. To understand rainbow formation, one key is refraction. Sunlight is bent by raindrops. Blue is bent about 40 degrees, and red is bent about 42 degrees. Violet has the shortest wavelength, therefore a greater index of refraction. I muted this video to share a little bit of trivia. A double rainbow forms when light entering the raindrop may bounce twice before exiting and be concentrated at an angle of 51 degrees. The area between the two rainbows is markedly darker than the rest of the sky. It's called Alexander's Dark Band, named after Alexander of Aphrodisias. He was Greek, you know.